Affiliate marketing is where you get to receive a commission for recommending a product or service to someone else. It could be someone that you know or someone that you don't know. Affiliate marketing is a way to generate an extra side income, another stream of income, and a lot of people are taking a bite from this industry, and there are several affiliate marketing tools that can help you optimize your affiliate marketing business, which gives you an edge over others to make more money. So if you watch till the end of this video, you're going to discover affiliate marketing tools that can take you from a beginner to a pro. On the other hand, if you don't use these tools, you're going to take a long time to move. It's going to take you a long time to move from a beginner to a pro. My name is Charles and I'm passionate about businesses. I love to see people and businesses grow, and that's what I do in this channel. I create amazing videos of online marketing, business, entrepreneurship, make money online and live. So if this is your first time on this channel, hit the subscribe button, subscribe, turn on the notification to be notified when I post new videos. And if you get value from this video, drop a comment in the comment section. Drop affiliate marketing crusher in the comment section below, and do not forget to like and share this video. So as an affiliate, you need to arm yourself with the tools that you need to grow your affiliate marketing business, and it's going to help you save time, work efficiently, and work smartly. So there are different affiliate marketing tools, and so many affiliate marketers are using them. So these tools will move you from that beginner vibe to the pro vibe, because what differentiates an affiliate marketer from an affiliate marketer? What differentiates a beginner from a pro? There are certain things that you won't do, you won't waste your time, that as a pro, you just automate it. And you need these tools to automate it, not just automation, branding, to make, and I'm going to show you everything. So affiliate marketing is a good way for you, to get started with the online space. If you have not gone into the online space before, affiliate marketing is a good way for you to get started with digital marketing, know what digital marketing is all about, know how to run ads, know how to create engaging ad videos, know how to write copies, because copywriting is good. If you're a good copywriter, you'll be able to convince people, persuade people to buy what you're selling by just what you write. So copywriting is basically persuasion in print, not like persuading people with the aid of what you write down on, maybe like it's a sales letter or something else. So I'm going to dive into my laptop to be showing you the tools that you need in order to maximize your affiliate marketing business. So the first one that you need is peppertype.ai. Now, Peppertype is more like a virtual content assistant, and it can help you generate better copies in seconds with the use of AI. So now there are AIs that are available that can just generate copies for you, maybe for your email newsletter, maybe for your sales page, for your landing page, for your website or something like that. So there are AIs that can do that. Peppertype.ai is one of those AIs that can help you, generate blog ideas, blog topics, blog introduction, blog outline, SEO optimized meta title, blog main content, engaging tweets, Facebook ad primary text, and Amazon product title. So there are different types of content that can be generated with this AI. So there are different types of content that can be generated with this AI. And to get started, you just register here and you get started for free. So we have another one. We have prettylinks.com. PrettyLinks now, what it does is that it helps you, get the most out of branding and redirection. Sometimes you have these affiliate links that are annoying, that are like AFresh, affiliate 112, it doesn't tell well, or you say referral 12, it doesn't tell well of for branding if you're selling a product or trying to recommend someone a product. So you can just brand your link, your affiliate link, to something like kingcharles.com/prettylinks. If you're trying to send someone to Amazon, kingcharles.com/Amazon. So it's going to redirect it to that, and you can use that and you can work on this on WordPress. Maybe I'll make another video on how to do this how to get these pretty links working. So you can start, there are free stuff you can start. It has a free version, but you need WordPress to do this. So I'm going to show you this in another video. And then you also need Grammarly. Grammarly now is a great tool that you need, because you're going to be writing copies, you're going to be writing a whole lot of things, you're going to be putting down things and putting out content that people are going to read. So you don't want to put out content that will have errors, maybe misspelled grammars, or words that are not put correctly or in the right place and all of that. So Grammarly would help you correct that. It will show you that, okay, this whatever you've written looks good. If there's any grammatical error, it's going to correct it. And you need that not just for your business or not just for your affiliate marketing business. You need that for in your life, maybe whatever you're doing, your school, whatever, and you need that. Maybe if you're writing a document, a proposal, you need this to know, because customers are turned off with incorrect grammar. Incorrect grammar can make you lose conversion. So let's go to another one. You have Ahrefs and keyword everywhere. So let's start with Ahrefs. Ahrefs is anything you need if you want to rank high. So with Ahrefs, it can generate, you can audit and optimize your website, analyze competitors, see what competitors are using on their website, the tools, the backlinks and all of that. You can find keywords for your customers are searching for. You can find what your customers are searching for. Let's say you sell a bag, or you sell a boombox, or maybe you sell a particular kind of phone or laptop, and you want to find, okay, my customers, what kind of keywords are they using? People that like phones, that like laptop, or that like shirts, that like wearing beach wear. So what kind of keywords are they searching for? And you can find out from here. You can learn from the top contents that are performing. It's going to show you the top contents that are performing in the industry, and it's going to help you track your progress. And Ahrefs is very, very good. I would like you to get started Ahrefs if you want to. And we also have Keyword Planner, Keyword Everywhere. Keywords Everywhere does the same thing as Ahrefs, and you can be able to get keywords and get metrics that would help you rank your website high. So Keywords Everywhere does almost the same thing with Ahrefs. So if you're using Ahrefs, there's no need to use Keywords Everywhere. But if you want to use Keywords Everywhere, there's no need to use Ahrefs, because they basically do almost the same thing. So we have another one, which is WhatLink, WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a good platform to convert prospects to customers, because some people, they send their traffic to their website and leave them like that. They just have their emails and all that. Most people don't open emails a lot. People nowadays open WhatsApp a whole lot, and they believe what most of the things on WhatsApp. So you want to enter into their private life, because WhatsApp is private. You're entering someone's privacy. Someone's giving their number and all of that, so it's private. You want to constantly use WhatsApp to give out content, and content that will gear your prospects towards being just a prospect to a customer. So you can sell to them on WhatsApp, you can advertise to them on WhatsApp for free. You can also talk to them and generate a relationship with your prospects or with your customers. So that way you'll be able to grow your audience. WhatsApp can help you grow your audience, and maybe in another video I'll talk about how to use WhatsApp to make more sales and all of that. So in this video, I'm just going to make this very short. And we have, for WhatsApp, we have two different links. We have WhatLink. What this thing does is that it creates a link for you. It generates a WhatsApp link for you. If you're running ads on, maybe for example, you're running an affiliate marketing ad, and you're running an ad to sell a shirt or to sell a consultancy, maybe a one-on-one meetup or coaching program. So for example, now you want to know the people that are coming to you. You want to know the people that are sending you that message. And how can you do that? First, you need a unique link for each of the ads, because if you're using one link, because WhatsApp normally has just one link that can send people to your WhatsApp, when they click it, they'll be redirected to your WhatsApp directly, maybe with a customized message. Now what WhatLink is here for is that they are going to generate a random link, and you can put up a custom message for when people come into to your WhatsApp. So for example, you're running an affiliate marketing ad, you can create a link for just that affiliate marketing and just put up a custom message that I saw your ads on this blah 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 blah, and I would like to get or learn about affiliate marketing. So all that text will be auto generated in the link once the link is clicked, and the prospect will just have to just put in his name. That's the details, so that you'll be able to save it and all. So then that's for the affiliate marketing. Then if you're also running an ad for consultation for one-on-one coaching program, then you can now do that same thing, generate a different link for it, and then put a custom message so that you'll know where they are coming from. So if you're running multiple ads, you'll know where your traffic is coming from and how to arrange them, how to group them on WhatsApp. Because just like email lists, you still have WhatsApp list where you can group your audience and say, okay, if I'm going to send a broadcast message, or if I'm going to send a message, I'm just going to send it to this particular kind of people. So this would help you group your audience into particular people, and you know how to relate with them, how to, you know, send them messages and contact. It's easy for you to contact them and know, okay, these people are for this and these people are for this. So this is word.link. We also have autoresponder for WhatsApp. It's an amazing app that you can install on your phone, maybe iOS or Android. Install it. Once you install it, you're able to set an autoresponder for WhatsApp messages. You know, if you have a lot of contacts, up to 5,000 contacts or 10,000 contacts on your WhatsApp, or maybe 1,000 contacts, and you're getting so many messages, because if you're running ads, people will be inquiring, asking several things. How can I do this? What can I do? Blah blah blah. You would need an autoresponder to answer some questions that are generic. So you can set up answers to questions for people that want to find out certain things that are generic. So you can just put up a list of answers to questions or possible questions that you'll be asked, and then the autoresponder would give an automatic reply whenever that question pops up. So this is also going to help you. And we have another one also. We have Google Docs. Now Google Docs is one that we know every day. It's an everyday document. Google Docs is good for you to write content ideas. It's good for you to draft copy. It's good for you to just write any random idea that comes to you, because you know Google Docs is available online, so you can edit it, you can get access from it from anywhere, any time of the day. And not just that, people can work with you on a particular document or on a content or on an idea using Google Docs. So not just you can access it, people or other people can also access it. Maybe someone that wants to review your copy, or someone that wants to make changes to your copy, you can just give them access to it to make changes on Google Doc. Now Google Doc is very important. You should be using Google Doc every time to document your ideas, to document, to write your content, your copy and all of that. So we have the final one, which is a page builder. Now as a pro, you need a page builder, and there are so many page builders that are free. You can use WordPress. WordPress is a free page builder. You can use WordPress and maybe install Elementor or other ones. There are different page builders. You have Elementor, you have, you know, AfroFunnels, you have ClickFunnels. No, I'm talking about the free ones now, right? Because you want to take advantage of stuff that I can use for free and still do what you can do. So you need WordPress to build funnels and websites for your affiliate marketing business, and Elementor is one good tool that you can use to build websites. You can use to build funnels for free. Maybe I would use Elementor to build a funnel, or use that to build a website in on another video. So another page builder we have is AfroFunnel. With AfroFunnel, you can build website funnels, and it's very easy, drag and drop. It's a very smooth platform with great UI and responsive. You also have email responders, the autoresponders on the platform on AfroFunnels, and it's created by one of our own. So AfroFunnels was founded by an African, in fact a Nigerian, and AfroFunnels is big in Africa right now. There are so many people using AfroFunnels, and you want to also check AfroFunnels out. So it's not that expensive, it's cheap to an extent, it's considerate. So you can use AfroFunnels to optimize your affiliate marketing business, build a funnel, you know, send emails and all of that. So with these tools, you can move from a beginner to a pro if you implement them, not just knowing, if you implement them. So if it means you need to go back to watch the video, you can go back and watch the video to get better understanding, or maybe research on the tools that I've just talked about. But I'm going to be making videos for some of the tools here, so you can just subscribe. If not subscribed to this channel, subscribe so that you can see other videos like this and how to make money online. So subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification sign, and if you've gotten value from this video, drop a comment in the comment section. And if you have tips, questions, anything you want to talk about, put in the comment section. I'm going to reply you, drop a feedback, and maybe possibly make another video for you, maybe after your question. So thank you. If you've gotten value from this video, drop thumbs up in the comment section, like this video, share this video, and check this other video out. There's something here that you need to know. Cheers.